Today's installation will be these brand new Radiator Guards. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Bulletproof Shop. Today we're going to be working on this new Honda.
Protect your Honda with our all-new billet Radiator Guards. A one-piece guard with only a small bracket per side allows a simple and quick installation to provide maximum protection. Our design utilizes 6061 billet aluminum to provide unmatched front, lower, and side impact protection from everything thrown at you on the track, trail, or desert. Flows air efficiently with our vented design to help keep the bike cool in all environments. Fully compatible with oversized fuel tanks and fan kits. Made in the USA and has a lifetime warranty.
That's a wrap. All Bulletproof Guards are to make your bike stronger and easy installation. Visit our website at bulletproofdesigns.com and follow us on all our socials to keep up. See you out on the trails.